Welcome to my channel. Today we know about how to add two numbers in C language using Ubuntu. First of all, you open your search bar in Ubuntu, then type text editor. Here the text editor. So open it, then start coding. First of all, type header files, which is nothing but hash include std io dot h, which means standard input output library. You should have some basic knowledge about C language to viewing this video. You should know that what is a header file, what is printf, scanf, and how to initialize the data values like integer, float, char. So type void main, then start with the curly brackets, then type int and initialize. Because we are using integer values, so we should write int for integer, then initialize the values a, b, c, then type printf in brackets and take double, then type the value of a and b in double quotes, close all double quotes and bracket necessary. Here we type forward backward slash n because which give space when we compiling the code. Then we should write here that scanf %d for initializing the value as integer. We use %d because we are adding two values, so we use 2 times %d and initialize for and a and b, which read the address that the value stored in a is an integer. Then close it with double quote. All the comment sections should must be closed with double quotes. Then nothing but very easy. Type c is equal to a plus b. Here plus minus multiply is an operator in C language, which is C language provided. So here c is equal to a plus b, then automatic the value will be initialized in C. Then start printf to show the value of addition. Printf the addition of a and b is %d. We should write here %d because integer, and we give the address with giving comma that then close it. Then for subtraction, c is equal to a minus b. It should also be printf. Then type printf, then type the subtraction of a and b is %d, which read the integer value, then backward slash n for giving space. Also add the c because printf read the address of c. What is the %d? So we should add that after double quotes comma c, so it read it the value of c, what is stored in c. So for multiplication, we here type c is equal to a star b. Here star is a operator which is used for multiplication of two number. Now we are doing here writing same vice versa, the pre-multiplication of n. For division, this method is same. Here we should firstly write it. Some basic knowledge of C you have to win this video, that what is printf, comma. Then for division we write c is equal to a slash b. Now we are going to here printf. Then same as we do in previous, the division of A and B percent D slash n, then C and comma, then okay, let's close the curly bracket. Our program is over. Writing program is over. Then save it. We save this program in desktop, and we should type any name file, and it must be necessary you add extension .c after you giving your file name. It is necessary. .c will show that this file is the C language file. Okay, then go your search bar. There is a program is ready. Go your Ubuntu search bar and type terminal. Then here your terminal, open it. So we saved our file in desktop. So we use a command which like a cd desktop, which read the files from our desktop. So it is a command cd desktop slash. Okay, now it's in desktop. Then we compile. GCC is a compiler for C. So we write GCC and file name what we stored in this one, that was file2.c. Then we should it is okay, there is nothing error. So here we type dot slash a dot out, which is for giving output. No, now here is we seen the value of a and b. So type here nothing, only type here the value of a, press enter, and type the value of b, press enter. Here the all the value is here coming, that the addition of a and b is 10, the subtraction of a and b is 6. It is a very simple program for the beginners. C language is very interesting language. Now we see how the errors, if we do in errors, how the compiler show it, the errors of our program. Now I open the program, I erase the some double quotes, then save the file, and again I go to the terminal, again I compile it newly. Show the errors are here shown, that accepted file C here. So the compiler show us the error if we even misses any error here. Now again we go and add these commas that we remove, then save the file. Again you compile it and enter. Show here nothing. So it's mean there is nothing error in your compilation, that directly you open the output file for use dot a dot slash a dot out, which give you output of your program. We taken one another output like some 100 for a, and then press enter, and anything you want. Here the answer: addition, subtraction, multiplication. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. We will come with new videos or come in C language, making maths problem in C language. Thank you. Stay with us. Press like.